Hello YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Press NH Now. Please take a moment and head over to his YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Is Jim in by chance?
Jim's not here.
He's not here today.
Jim. Who's Jim?
I don't know if he's coming
Who's
today
good?
or not.
Who's Jim?
Town manager's Jim.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
It's a good person to probably speak with.
Yeah, that's who.
Yeah.
He's
Are you a sergeant or
staff sergeant?
staff sergeant?
Yeah.
Good. Can I have your name, badge number?
My name is Guy Maloney.
So, hey guys, Dave Ford, you know me, Public Works Director. So I got a call from the
Maloney.
and they're concerned that this guy's kind of making everyone nervy. So it's obviously he's got a right to do what he's doing. He's kind of a smart ass. Doesn't want to tell you who he's doing. But right now, everyone is on edge. And at this time, we don't know who he is. He won't give us any identification. As far as we know, he could be a serial killer.
Oh
But
wow,
he's-
that's quite an accusation.
Anyway, so I made my-
It's a little exaggerated now.
Chief, you take care of this guy?
Chief, how you doing, Chief?
Who are you?
Good, good. How are you? Can I have your name, badge number?
Sure, it's the same one on the uniform, Chief Rondo.
Rondo.
Yeah.
Do you have a badge? A number, like a badge number, ID number.
Yeah, 301.
301. Thank you. I'm just going to back up a little bit just because it's not a wide
Okay,
angle.
so you've been asked to leave.
No, actually, I haven't.
Okay, well, I'm asking you to leave.
Why is that?
They don't want you here. They'd like you to leave.
Making everyone uncomfortable.
So-
All the women here are very uncomfortable with his attitude and his filming of people.
My attitude? I haven't said a word to anybody. Actually, people have just been asking me what I've been doing, and I told them I was recording in a public building.
Yeah, they don't want you here.
They don't have that
Yes,
right to tell me to
yes.
leave just for filming. This
I'm
is a
telling
First
you.
Amendment right to film in a public
Do you-
building. Smith versus Cummings.
Well, what, do you have any ID on you?
I don't answer those type of questions. You're the chief, right, sir? So we have a chief and a sergeant. Can you take your glasses off, please? Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. I'd like to
So,
see some expression.
here's the deal.
No, this is
Okay.
not the deal, sir. And you're not going to back me up into a corner, okay? Can I speak my mind? You've let them speak theirs, right? He's calling me a serial killer,
I
and
said you could be.
I could be,
You could be a
right?
sexual predator. We don't know because we don't even know your name.
What?
Sir.
Would you like to leave?
I don't actually. I have business here, chief. So
what is your business, sir?
my business, okay, is to I'm going to be pulling some records, okay? I'm going to be filing a complaint,
Okay.
and I'm also going to be video recording my public officials in the course of their duties.
Do we know who this guy is? Okay.
You won't give us his
I'm just an independent journalist. I just
Seems to be a
go.
smart ass that wants to cause trouble for no reason. Because he doesn't even have a story. So I'm going to write a story, but I don't know what the
This
story
is
Is
this.
the town manager?
No.
No.
And the only reason I'm here is because. we have-
So everybody feels uncomfortable, right?
Yes, they do.
Because of a camera, okay? So I'm just in here recording my interactions in my business with the public officials that we pay for. That's all I'm doing. I'm not here to
He wasn't
just.
doing any- he was sitting
I'm
here
speaking, sir.
Putting a camera on someone. He wasn't actually doing any business.
I'm trying to speak and tell you what I'm
Well,
doing.
that's fine.
Because you guys want to know what I'm doing, so I'm trying to tell you what I'm
You're
doing.
causing
Okay.
trouble is what you're doing, and you know you're doing it. You're just a smart ass. You're sitting
About-
here pointing the camera at women. We're making them feel uncomfortable.
Okay.
I come over and say,
So
"Sir, who are
my
you?"
complaint, okay, which I don't even have to indulge on right now, is actually on her. Okay, the lady that's in there, Linda, I think it was.
Yes.
She was on her phone.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
she's not working. She's not on break. All right, which means that our tax dollars are not being used and utilized efficiently.
Can we hear this?
And I have the right to grieve to my government and complain about these type of things.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we know what you're after. Okay.
Okay, yeah, and it's funny that when I come in here with the camera, right, Chief, everybody wants to scatter, right, and not do their job even more. And the funny thing about that is when somebody scatters away from a camera or a crime, it's usually because they're guilty of it. Am I right?
No.
No? Okay. So I know you guys are all in one big cahoot together in the government and the officials, which is fine. You guys can have yours and we could have ours. But as a citizen, okay, in the United States, I have a right to free press. I'm not here to cause any disturbances.
Well,
I'm not-
Unfortunately, you are.
By standing here with the camera, sir, it's not causing a
Well, the
disturbance.
fact that two police officers are here.
Yeah.
That you've been asked to leave.
But I haven't committed a crime, sir.
So-
I'm here to do public
Yes,
business.
You've been asked to leave.
So you're gonna tell me? So you're gonna deprive me of my free press? And
We're asking you to leave.
you're asking me. So
I am.
that's not a lawful order, correct, Chief?
I'm asking.
Is that a
you to leave.
lawful order, Chief?
Yes, it is.
It is. So I will
It
be
is.
threatened under arrest if I don't leave this building.
Momentarily. You will be.
Really?
Yes, yes.
And why would you like to try to deprive me of my rights?
You're creating a situation right now which is disorderly.
In here, because you guys are here?
Yes.
So this right here is disorderly.
This is.
Okay.
This is. So.
So
can-
I'll step outside, right? And
Please.
then we'll have a better, because I don't want to stop
Please.
everybody. Yeah, please, because I'm coming back in, Chief.
Please.
Because I need to conduct
let-
business.
Let's go outside.
So let's stop this whole charade that the government has caused because of a camera, Chief. We'll have a more civil conversation outside so we don't cause a disorderly, and escalate this. So, Chief,
Yes.
I need to go inside. I need to make public record. I need to do a inspection on the code enforcement. Okay, they have a hard copy book, which I have a right to per 91A, and I need to file a complaint. Okay, I'm going to go in there, and I'm not going to speak with anybody unless it's regarding my business, which I just spoke to you about. I have a right. I have a right.
I don't think these people.
Sir, I have a free right to free press. Okay, there's no expectation of privacy in public, Chief. Okay, these are government officials. I have a right to be in this building and film them.
I don't think these people want to be videotaped. But
They don't have a right to tell me not to, sir. That's not a disorderly.
hang on.
I'm trying to work with you, Chief. This is like my third chief in like 4 weeks.
I'm trying to. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what your complaint is. Now, whom do you want to speak to?
Well, I need to talk to code enforcement and do an inspection.
Okay.
Okay, and I'm going to document my inspection. Okay. Which is public record.
Do you live in Marlboro?
I'm not going to answer that, sir. I don't need to answer that question. It's a private question, sir.
Well, I'm
I have a
trying to
Fourth
figure out
Amendment right. I mean, I'm here exercising my right, sir.
Yeah, but who are you?
I'm a journalist. I'm an independent journalist, and I'm working on a story. And I'm pulling public records and keeping an eye on my government while they work. Very quietly.
Stay here.
You guys don't want a lawsuit, do you? And I'm not here for that, sir. I'm trying to make you guys look good.
Whatever.
But I'm not here to bother anybody.
Too late.
Well, cameras, it's our First Amendment right to free press, Chief.
Too late. You've already bothered.
Well, that doesn't matter, because you know why? A camera is my right, and you can't deprive me of that because they feel uncomfortable.
You want to speak to somebody from code enforcement? Okay.
I want to go back into the building that we pay for as taxpayers and do my recording.
So, if relative to your comment about lawsuit, if you want to file a
I don't want to. I don't need to. I know. Why would you care, Chief, right? I mean,
Stay
come
right
on,
here.
man. Stay right here. Am I being detained?
You're not being detained.
Then I have a free
You're
right.
free to leave.
Okay, so I'm free to
You
stay
are
also, right?
definitely free to
So I'm
leave.
free to stay, right?
Exercise that right. as
Awesome.
you see fit.
All right.
Free to leave.
We're gonna do that because we're gonna free to stay too.
But I want you to stay out of the building.
That's not a lawful order, sir.
Yes, it is.
No, it is not.
Listen.
I'm not going to listen,
If you
Chief. You're
step-
not going to sit here and tell me what to
If you
do.
step in the building, I'm going to arrest you.
You will. For
I
what?
will.
For
I
criminal
will.
trespassing,
For
huh?
disorderly conduct.
Oh.
Because I'm telling you to stay out of the building and you'll be violating a lawful order from the law enforcement.
Because I'm being disorderly?
Now you're blocking the entranceway.
No, you are, Chief.
Step over there.
No, I'll stay right here, Chief, out of the doorway. You don't tell me what to do, Chief. I'm not being detained for any crime.
You're not being detained.
Then I'm free to come into this building also. This is good for you, sir. Maybe you'll be taking his place pretty soon, depending on how you act.
So, Mr. Whatever your name is,
Yes.
the most of the staff is out today.
Oh, they are?
Meeting in Concord.
Great.
So unfortunately, you won't be able to talk to code enforcement because they're not here.
Okay,
All
that's
right?
fine.
And the ladies inside feel very uncomfortable
Yeah.
with you.
So that's...
But you can come back Tuesday.
No, I can come back in right now. I need to still go and conduct my business.
Whom else do you need to see?
Nobody. I need to record in my public building, as I have a right to. You took an oath, right, Chief? Uphold your oath and respect my right to free press.
If you go back in that building, I'm going to arrest you.
Really?
I am, yes. So
Wow.
please don't
For
go
what?
back. Disorderly conduct.
For standing in there with the camera? So I can't. So I can't.
You're making people feel uncomfortable.
Sir.
They don't want you in there.
So you're telling me if I go in there with a camera, so I can go in there without a camera?
You can, if you want to go in there.
Without a camera?
And you can go in there with the camera. They just don't want it pointed in their face.
I'm not in their face. I'm behind the glass in the hallway.
No, you're in their face.
Okay, so let's do that then. I won't go into anybody's face.
Put the camera down. Drop the camera.
Okay.
Drop the camera.
Okay, so now you're depriving me of more rights.
No.
You want to shut it off so you can beat me up too, Chief? I know. I know.
This guy's too much.
I know. Wait till you see my channel and how bad you look.
Yeah, that's fine.
I know.
That's fine. If you've got legitimate
I
business,
do. Yeah.
Okay.
And I just want to record that.
All right, I'll go with you.
You're going to escort me now?
I am.
Okay, and I'm not going to be under arrest, right? Because I don't want
You're
to.
not under. I'll let you know. Trust me. I will let you know when you're
Will
under
you,
arrest.
Chief?
I will let
All
you
right,
know
you're
when
gonna look great. You know what? You're actually turning this around a little
that's
bit.
quite all right.
All right. So now I'm gonna
Have
get
at
a.
it.
So now I'm gonna be a babysitter.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked today's video. And don't forget to head over to Press NH Now's YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until the next episode of Know Your Rights, you stay safe out there.